Hey there, Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a box of crayons. So I'm going to draw a little line like that, and then another one going off at that angle there. And then we want to draw this parallel like that. Make that a bit longer maybe. And then we're going to draw into the center, and then you need that little kind of cutout at the front where your fingers can sort of get in and get the flip top lid open. And then we're going to draw all the way down there, all the way down there, and at an angle again, and across, and then down like that. And then here we're going to want to have a kind of an oval cutout. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Looks a bit like teeth. Oh, there we are. And we want to draw these curves. These are kind of the wrappers, and that's a bit of printing. That'll be white, that bit, won't it? And then we'll have a bit of printing down the side of each one like that. And we want to have cray on. I can't fit the S in, so I'm just going to put crayon. That's called artistic license. And then we'll have a little triangle-y thing there, and some kind of writing there. And you're probably going to have pray on. I can fit the S in there this time. And just to make it look like it's kind of folded over like that, so that you've got the little bit and you're going to get your fingers in and flip the bit out on. You know what I mean. And let's put the table behind there. It's sitting on the table, and we'll have a few little bits of shadow just to help put it on the table. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.